Well, I guess I should start this. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another day, another adventure. I'm Death, these are my adventures, and I'm a flight attendant for a U.S. domestic carrier. I have not been on any trips recently because I am very, very tripped out at the moment. What I have been doing is a lot of turns. And what I also haven't filmed in a long time is a what's in my bag video. What I'm going to show you guys is what do I take in my lunchbox with me on turns? What do I eat for lunch? What do I snack on? Do I even take food with me? And sometimes I do take food with me and sometimes I don't. It just depends on how long the turn is or what times I'm reporting. If I'm reporting pretty early in the morning between 5 and 7 and I'm done by noon, I'm not going to take anything with me. But if I have to go past noon into like 2 or 3 o'clock, I'm going to take some food with me. Especially anything over 5.5 hours because those days get long, delays happen, de-icing happens, and a bunch of other nonsense. Sometimes you have a sit, sometimes there's maintenance, sometimes there's snow. You never know what you're going to get yourself into in this industry. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what's in my super tiny lunchbox. I got this one at the Travel Pro outlet store here in Orlando. And it comes with a little trolley sleeve on the back so you can slip it onto your bag. And it just sits really nice on top. Sometimes I even take this with me on 2 and 3 day trips. Just depends on how many legs I'm doing, how long my layover is. So let's go ahead and get into it. In the front pocket, I actually fit a lot of stuff in here. One thing I always take with me, no matter what, is my baby sriracha. You never know if you're gonna hate the taste of something, so I just always keep this with me. I got it on Amazon for like 10 bucks, and I will leave that link in the description down below. I always carry spray with me. This is the Brazilian Crush from Sol de Janeiro. It's just a body spray, but you can just spray it all over, and it smells really good. Always have hand sanitizer because I hate when people give me their trash as soon as I walk by them with the trash bag, or my coworkers walk by them with the trash bag and then they hand it to me and I don't have gloves on because I'm not the person doing trash. It's just really annoying. I always have hand sanitizer with me. I keep it on my lanyard normally. I have it on my keys. I have it in every bag that I take with me because I don't want coronavirus. I don't want to get sick. Self-care 2020, we are not getting sick. We're cleaning our jump seats and our galleys. I always keep medicine with me because people give me headaches and I just get headaches really easily. But I normally put all my vitamins in here. I never know when my phone's gonna die, so I just always have my pocket juice on me and fully charged, ready to roll because there's no outlet on the aircrafts. I always carry chapstick with me. This is the Bite Beauty lip mask and it's just the normal flavor. I think these are like $12, but this will last you a super long time, gluten-free, and it feels really good and it makes sure that your lips are nice and moisturized for when you're flying. It is everything that I have in the front pocket, and this is packed and ready to go for my trip tomorrow because I'm going to Houston. So that's a 5-hour turn. I have to report, I think, at 8:30. Let's look. I have to report at 9:30. So I have to leave here at 8:20 and get up at 7 a.m. to process. And it's a 5-hour, 6-minute turn, and I'm off duty at 4:30 p.m. And I'm flying lead, so I'm in the very front. For the big pocket, when you open it up, it has this pocket right here. And in here, I just have emergency oatmeal, just in case anything happens. I have that to eat. I have Theraflu for if I feel terrible, then I can throw this in some hot water. Next, I have my vitamin C. I have the raspberry kind, and it's the Immune Plus with 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C, vitamin D, and zinc. I throw these in my waters. I want to boost my immune system, and I really don't want to get sick. So I have a ton of these. That's all that's in this pocket right up here. You can also put like an ice pack in here if you want. And I also have a plastic knife just in case they take my real knife. And then we have all of this. In the bottom here, I have sweet potato chips. These are really good. I got these at Aldi. and they were pretty cheap. They were like $1. For a dessert, I carry the Simply Nature freeze-dried strawberries. These are really good. I can only eat a few of them at a time because they are so sweet. And strawberries are my favorite fruit that there ever was or ever is. And they're just really good, and they taste like candy, but really good, real fruit, excellent source of fiber, and non-GMO. So this is what I carry as dessert. I normally eat for lunch is just a basic peanut butter and jelly sandwich. There it is, peanut butter, jelly, and in case I want more, boom, there it is, strawberry jam. Another snack that I take is a split. These are really good. I saw someone on YouTube eating these, and I wanted to try it, so I got the peanut butter and blueberry one. You just rip it off and you split it in two, and then you squeeze it like a Go-Gurt. These are really good, kind of expensive. You can get them on Amazon. You can get 10 of them for $12, at least this flavor. So I got the peanut butter with the blueberry because I wanted to try something different other than strawberry. They have almond butter and chocolate, or almond butter and hazelnut. They also have peanut butter and raspberry, peanut butter grape, peanut butter strawberry. So I just wanted to try a new flavor, so I got blueberry. If I get stuck, I always have emergency ramen with me. You can get these at Walmart for like 35 cents, or Publix, or any grocery stores in your area. They're relatively cheap, and you can just put hot water in it from the airplane, let it sit for a few minutes, and then you are good to go. And that is everything that I have in the bottom. There are side pockets if you want to put ice packs in these, but they are on both sides. I don't use them because I just use regular medicine packs, but these do come apart and you can clean it. But that is everything that I have in my, what I call, baby box. I don't carry a lot with me because I plan on coming home most of the time, so I'm gonna go ahead, pack this all up, and pack for my turn. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this simple what's in my baby box turn lunchbox tour, and I will see you guys in the next video.